Hi, welcome back to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom, and today we're cooking this, the ultimate fish finger sandwich.
So the fish I'm using today is sustainably sourced pollock, and I'm just cutting it into strips about 3/4 of an inch thick. So now we're going to cover the fish in breadcrumbs. We start off by rolling it in flour, then into egg, and then into the crumb itself. If you don't know how to make homemade breadcrumbs, it will be in the description below. So now all the fish is coated in breadcrumb, it needs to go into a refrigerator and sit for at least 20 minutes to set. So today I'm using my brand new Weber Master Touch barbecue. I've used it a couple of times already. It really is a fantastic piece of kit and I'm enjoying cooking with it. I'm using about 1/3 of a chimney of lumpwood charcoal. Charcoal is now ready to pour into the barbecue. I'm using one charcoal basket and I've got it set just off centre. So we'll let the temperature stabilise on the barbecue for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to get these fish fingers on. We'll not put them directly over the charcoal, we're keeping them off to one side for an indirect cook. I've set my Inkbird thermometer up to monitor the temperature of the pit. I'm looking for about 160 degrees C. We're going to cook these for 20 minutes. So next we need to make a sauce for this fish finger sandwich. We'll start off by slicing up 3 slices of pickled gherkin, add that into a bowl. Then I add 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. And 4 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Give that a good stir and then season with salt and pepper to taste. I've boiled some peas with a fair amount of fresh mint leaves. Just added some olive oil and we're going to mash them into a paste. So the fish has had about 20 minutes. I'm just going to move it over to a direct side to get some colour on these breadcrumbs. Over direct heat it doesn't take long to get colour on these fish fingers, just keep an eye so you don't burn them. Just going to layer on some ciabatta roll to get a nice toast. Now we've got a nice toast, it's time to get this sandwich built. So I'm going to start by adding our mayonnaise sauce to the bottom bun. Next I'm going to add the minted peas to the top bun. We're going to layer on our fish fingers. And then we'll put the top on. Such beautiful vibrant colours and wonderful flaky fish.
Right, so let's give this a taste. I'm loving the colours. The mint in that peas really comes through. First thing that hit me. Then the fish. Now that lemony mayo and back to the mint. That's a really nice sandwich. That's gorgeous. If you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. And hit that button down below, ring the bell, receive notifications for every time we put out new content. Thank you very much for watching.